$30 to see to go on another shoot.
Gas prices are insane.
They're not playing, man. So 6 gallons for $30. I'm gonna start it and $30 is gone. Oh damn, 6 gallons exactly. Right?
You guys even wrap the gas cap.
Yep.
Quality work.
Of course, we're RDB.
Oh, look at his gimbal.
Oh, there we go. Yo, I'm gonna start the car. It's a little loud. I don't want to scare him.
Okay.
Yeah.
Guys, one of the most famous cars that we have ever produced is this wide-body Lamborghini Aventador SV for Mr. Chris Brown. Still owns the car. It's here for a little update, maintenance stuff actually. And man, this car, we just had to shoot it again. It's probably the most unreal looking car we've ever built. Anytime we see it in person, it blows our minds. It's incomparable to anything else, honestly. It looks like a movie prop car. It's very, very hard to explain in person. Outrageous. It's perfect. Body lines, everything. It is a Liberty Walk limited edition kit, and it is perfect. This is also a fade wrap. This is one of the first fade wraps we did. Its fade transitions perfectly from satin purple to satin sky blue. Really, really amazing transformation on this car because it was a SV before, and then it was this. It was actually a white SV. So really crazy. Carbon fiber everywhere, big wheels. It's slammed on static suspension, not air suspension, drives great. And it has obviously black wrap theme as well. Just honestly the perfect combination of a modified car. Obviously, again, it might be a little much for people, but I think, you know, if you have 2 SVs, which Chris Brown does, why not make one of them crazy like this? Again, anybody that stopped by the shop and saw it in person is mesmerized. It's really, really, honestly, a sick-ass custom car. So, super excited to show you guys again. One of our favorite projects ever, this Lamborghini Aventador.
I want to buy the, I'm going to try to buy PlayStation from Target. I heard they have a discount. If you spend over $2,000, you'll get a free PlayStation.
Target?
Yeah, you're paying for the PlayStation anyway, basically. Dude, I have air conditioning in the office. This is so awesome. The older spot had no AC. Like outside. Of course there's no AC outside. You're outside. Why would there be AC outside? I mean, like in the office, well, here we have our individual offices, which is cool. So we're not like all together, but each one of our offices has AC. It's awesome. I love it.
Revenge. He always messes up your desk.
Oh shit. What does this smell, bro? Hey, look. Hey, he was lying about his sticker price. It's $135. He said 180 one time. He said 150 one time. It's 135. Put that on his desk when you get back. It smells like half cigarettes and half cologne in here. Like the cologne goes away and the cigarette comes. So right now, surprise, RDB is getting another location. We signed the lease yesterday. It's a mile away from our new shop. We needed the space, we needed parking, it needs a little bit of basic remodeling. So we're gonna be doing that throughout like the month or so. It's not gonna be like an open retail front store. We're not gonna have like office in there and stuff. This is strictly gonna be for parking storage and just getting cars done. We're gonna show you guys right now a little preview of it, not too much because it's kind of, you know, like I said, it's very basic right now. But it has a little parking lot with a motorized gate and a complete indoor warehouse. So I'm taking Moses right now to go see it.
This is nice. This could be a nice working area, bro. Hey.
So, welcome to new RDB location. This one, like I said, just gonna be parking storage and maybe wraps and clear bras. So there you have it, super secure, kind of the same setup as the new shop.
This is actually very spacious. We can work.
Yeah, I might make that like a studio area where you put the car nicely all
Hold on,
white.
how are the cars gonna come in?
So here, they're gonna tear this down and put a garage door right there.
Oh, okay, so from there the cars will come in.
Yeah, it's gonna be a big garage door there, so you come in from there.
Yeah.
But you know how hot it is outside, right? Look how cool it is here.
Yeah.
We're gonna put a heater in here, so for the wraps when it's cold,
Yeah.
it stay warm.
Well, there's a lot of insulation. Look, it's all like new, actually.
They changed that new, correct? Perfect for us to get stuff done.
We're doing old shop.
Old shop is eventually gonna go, so we gotta get ready for that. So we're preparing this.
This is crazy. So there's like a restaurant bathroom, like In and Out or something. That's what a hamburger is all about. I like this one more than the old one.
I might put lifts like the other shop. Imagine lining this up with lifts. I don't know. We'll see.
We're working on cars outside here too.
Well, yeah.
If we,
Yeah.
sure.
We're getting business calls.
If I saw this, I would have taken it. Hey! He said that you lied to him. That your car is 130, not 180. You keep telling everybody it's 180, 160.
Okay,
It's 130.
hold on. Okay, come here, down. Okay,
Your car is like a $100,000 car.
hold on,
You
130.
told me it's 180.
Hold on.
No, not tax and
What do you mean?
Everybody pays tax. You fucking idiot. Everybody pays tax. The price of the car is $135.
Hold on.
Why are you adding tax?
Of course you have to add. What do you mean?
The car costs $135. Everybody pays
Did you
tax.
see a car buying it without tax?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Hey, he's a sarcasm.
What is the 15 and 17?
Over sticker.
You didn't pay over sticker.
Of course. You want to call the dealer and ask?
All right, guys, here we are with this brand new, beautiful Escalade. This is obviously the long version, sport package. And as you can see, it's featuring now 24-inch RDB masterpiece classic wheels. Check it out. You even have the Rolls-Royce style floating cap with the Escalade logo in silver to match obviously the front of it, like that. The car has been lowered a little bit, drives great. A lot of people are doing 26s up to 30-inch wheels on these things. 26s are pretty big and you have a pretty nasty small tire on there. But with the 24s, you get a nice thick tire, drives great. Obviously, this is such a big car. The wheels don't look incredibly large, but I think it's actually a perfect size. Also, you know, it's for comfort, so you gotta have it. This is a special color. They don't make this color anymore. It's like a charcoal metallic brown. It's not just black. Nothing else is done to the car, just the wheels and the lowering, and honestly, it looks amazing. Props to the new Escalade. Really dope car.
Seriously, I'm gonna take you to Double A. Alcohólicos Anonymous. The guy, yeah, Moses. Moses, he need help. We need more people subscribe and podcast. Hey, don't subscribe. Don't subscribe. I feel like he's toy, man. He used me, man. He kicked me. Last time, this guy he break my phone.
What is your Super Bowl predictions?
LA. See.
Well, this video is gonna go out after the Super Bowl, so they're gonna know if you're wrong or right.
Okay.